What's up, bud?
What I do?
Back in action. So what we doing to this thing?
We're doing a little bit. We're doing some stars, a long shooting star. We're gonna be doing some underglow, which is low glow, and we're also adding that into the grill area. This thing is full transformation.
Facts. And if you didn't know, this is a Lamborghini Urus. Color is beautiful. And this is kind of the biggest project that we've done on a Urus. That sounded amazing. Yeah, and we're doing some grill lighting the low glow way. And I haven't really seen another Lamborghini with that type of setup. So we're really excited about this. We're going to show you guys kind of what's going on with it. Let's get it done. So as always, when we have a big job, we go ahead and rip the headliner out first so that can be worked on while everything else is going on. Immediately after that, rip off this bumper so we can attack this grill lighting. What I'm thinking is fronts and then sides.
So the reason I say size is one, because it's longer, so I can kind of just cook around.
On the top.
And then rear, and then we just like split it from the thing.
From the sides? Let's try it. All right, Nick, so what's going on? What happened here? We had a little hiccup.
We just gotta figure this out. We're figuring it out.
So what was the issue?
We had a bunch of LED lights hitting the front of the bumper because it's gloss. So therefore, we have to adjust the strips and make it so you get no LEDs because nobody likes to look at that.
So basically, yes, we're trying to eliminate all these LEDs that's shining
Like
off of the gloss black frame. And once this is actually mounted on car, we're gonna do a little test run. Should look fine because it has a lot to bounce off in there. And then we're doing some, we're gonna be blocking out the bottom row, but you're still getting a little bit of the LED light here, which I don't want to really see. So this bumper is just a little bit different, and we're gonna make it work. Yeah, it would be good. Much better. What dot, bro?
If you're looking from right here down, you can see the two dots.
This one?
One more. Those two. Yeah.
Yeah, I see that. It's bright.
And we can eliminate that, so.
Eliminate that spot. Now, there we go. Ha! And that's how you get rid of that. All right, first test run.
There's a lip that comes out from the car.
That doesn't look like a happy face.
Look at this bullshit. Thought you figure something out and then something else bites you in the ass.
But how much do we need?
Yeah, the top is nothing. Good news is the bottom looks great.
Yeah, the bottom,
right?
The bottom is lit.
The sides, we definitely need more. So that's why I normally leave the side, so we'll have to let some of that out on the side over there.
What if we run this?
If you look from underneath, you could see what's blocking it.
I don't even know.
This doesn't go into anything on the bumper, does it?
Kind of see, it's just trapped in there. We gotta figure this out. So we had to move the strips from the grill to the actual body of the car because of the LED issue, and we had a plate that was blocking everything, and now we have kind of the same issue. LEDs all over the place. And
the one on the floor, obviously.
yeah, I mean, only the right side here is connected. So this is fail number 2. You gotta take it off again. And we're gonna have to go bottom up. So that grill was not being fun, so I decided to get started on the ambient lighting flow series. So rip off the doors, take everything apart so that we can just knock them all out one time. Here you see we have to disassemble the trim that it's going to be going into. Once we get those off, we'll go ahead and install the lighting into the trim, make it as factory looking as possible, and that's really the goal here. And now after I don't know how many times of them switching around the placement of the lights, trying this bumper one more time back on the car and see how this thing looks. Oh my God.
18.
Look at this thing though. Wow. Wow. Finally got it.
It's one of the good one though.
When everything's on?
I mean,
I'm with
do you
it.
just run extensions or is everything on?
No, I didn't do that, the wiring yet.
The sides? Did you mount the sides?
Sides, I gotta mount that side. That side is mounted and connected.
I'm gonna say, because I have little wires right there. I can just.
Oh, no. It's okay. We can wait. I'm happy with this. No LEDs.
One of those boxes under here too. I don't know what they are.
He has more boxes? Let's see this thing. Well, not. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this gotta go. Just unplug it. Unplug the box. We'll just make sure it starts.
Why do you want to unplug it?
It's a GPS tracker. He just bought the car. Yeah, just in case.
So wait, he just bought this, so he doesn't know about this.
I called him. He said he doesn't know about it. He said we could take it out. So just unplug it.
Oh.
Just unplug it, and then we'll just make sure the car starts and that there's nothing going on. And then we'll be good.
Do you think someone's trying to get him?
No, he just bought the car. So somebody probably put another
Before
kill
him?
switch. Huh?
Before him?
Before him, yeah. It's probably just somebody. But obviously,
got or some shit.
that's like.
This thing was a little bit of a headache, but I love the way it came out. Underglow looks crazy. Stars look crazy. Everything looks crazy. It looks really good. I don't know what to say.
I hit the light real quick so we can show him what it looks like.